With Satellite SOS on the Pixel 9, you can contact emergency services and share your emergency information when you're in need of assistance, even without a mobile or even Wi-Fi connection. Running on technology from Skylo and Garmin, the feature works in the US right now and only with certain carriers. It's compatible with the Google Pixel 9 series, including the Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, as well as Pixel 9 Pro Fold models. If you have one of these devices, it can be an invaluable tool in the event of a real-life emergency. The first thing you want to do is set up Emergency SOS on the device. This feature is available for most Android devices. First, go to Settings, select Safety and Emergency, then select Emergency SOS and select Setup at the bottom right. From here, you can change how to trigger Emergency SOS, touch and hold, or wait for a 5-second countdown, edit Emergency SOS actions, add your emergency services number, and add emergency contacts. Once you've adjusted settings to your liking, select Done. You can also try the demo if you want to confirm that it works and see how, so you're prepared should you ever actually need to invoke it. Once Emergency SOS is set up, the steps for setting up and trying Satellite SOS on the Pixel 9 are largely the same. Go to Settings, select Safety and Emergency, and select Pixel Satellite SOS. From there, you can edit the sharing preferences and demo Satellite SOS to get a walkthrough of the process of how it works. This includes sending text messages to emergency response through the simulation of a situation in which you don't have an active service connection. If you find yourself in an emergency, here's what to do. First, dial 911, and if the phone can't connect, wait for the Satellite SOS icon to pop up and select it. Select Start, answer a few questions about the emergency, like you're lost, trapped, or have come across someone in need of emergency help. Add details about the type of location, like a trail or a cave, and a timeline. How long have you been away? You can also choose to notify the emergency contacts you've set up in the app by tapping Notify or selecting Don't Notify if you want to leave it to first responders. The phone will show on-screen prompts to help position your phone for the best signal to a satellite. Once connected, the phone will reach out to emergency services and share your information, and you should receive a reply within a few minutes. Stay on the line with emergency services if needed, or select End to end the session and wait for help to arrive. You can select Yes, I still need help, and emergency services will proceed with the call even if you end it. If you found a resolution, select No, I don't need help, and the call will be canceled. You don't actually have to enable Satellite SOS on the Pixel 9. It automatically pops up when necessary and can contact emergency services for you. From there, you can proceed with the steps noted here, including describing the emergency in a short questionnaire and waiting for a reply from your local emergency services provider, which will hopefully send help your way. Make sure to follow the prompts to correctly position your phone to get a proper satellite signal and remain outdoors with a clear view of the sky so the connection will work. You also need to have Google Messages set up as your default messaging app for the service to work. If you don't, or change it to another app, you'll receive a message notifying you that Satellite SOS won't be available unless you change it back. It's worth noting that if someone were to pick up your phone, they would be able to see the lock screen message and your emergency information, even if the phone's locked. If you wish to turn this feature off, you can do so within the Personal Safety app. But considering this would only come up at a time when you might be in danger, you could probably use all the help you can get. Satellite SOS on the Pixel 9 is free for the first 2 years, but after that, you'll likely have to pay a subscription fee if you want to continue to have access to this feature. Nonetheless, set it up now and make use of the next 24 months to access to it. There are a number of reasons the Google Pixel 9 is a worthwhile buy. We named the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL among the best Android phones right now. Satellite SOS is a handy feature that could literally save your life, and it counts among the many ways this phone lineup is the best Google has to offer. The Google Pixel 9 is a smartphone that's ready to help in any way you need it, from AI assistance when planning trips, composing messages, or editing photos, to keeping track of your calendar appointments, staying in touch with friends and family, functioning as your remote gaming device, and yes, even in the event of an emergency.